fasting beast. If you in your 20s or in your 30s and you feel lost, this advice is for you. So I got 3 advices for you right now. First of all, figure out what you want in life, what you want to be, the thing that you would do without getting paid. That is what you want. So second, ignore the people, ignore the comment of others, ignore people. Wherever comment something like, oh, you're not gonna make it, you need to ignore those people. And number 3, do so much work that it will be impossible for you not to succeed. So if you love fitness and you love to work out, work on your body so much, work on your mind, work on your the way you eat, so you can get in the best shape of your life, and people's gonna ask you and you can teach them. So that's what you need to do. First of all, you need to know what you want to be. Figure it out. Second of all, start listening to people. Start listening to what people have to say about you. They always have something to say about you, especially the people that is doing nothing with their life. They got the most thing to say about you. And the third, I said, do so much work that it will be impossible for you not to succeed. So those are my 3 tips in this video. I am the fasting beast.